In this video, we will walk you through how to report emerald ash borer or Asian longhorn beetle using the Oregon Invasive Hotline.org reporting website. Before you report, remember to double-check the signs and symptoms you're reporting to ensure you're fairly confident with your find. Also, have your notes and photos from the field ready. You will need these for the report. Oregon Forest Pest Detector program uses the Oregon Invasive Species online hotline to receive reports. To find the hotline, you can just type it in, OregonInvasivesHotline.org. Here we are on the hotline homepage. Simply click Report Now to get started. This is the reporting form that we are asking you to fill out. The first thing you need to do is select a county, and for the purposes of this report, we're going to select Multnomah County. Once you select the county, a map will appear with a marker in the center. Next, drag your marker to a more specific location and zoom in. In this case, we're going to pretend our report came from Hoyt Arboretum. Hoyt Arboretum is a likely spot to find an infestation because it's an urban park that shares boundaries with many private homes. Someone who lives near the Arboretum could have brought contaminated firewood into their yard. From there, insects can spread easily into the park. Another way to pinpoint your location is to enter the exact coordinates if you have them. The website will report some errors, but that's a bug in the site and you can ignore that and proceed to zoom back in on your position, which is now the precise location of the coordinates you entered. Note that due to variation in the accuracy of GPS units, you may have to drag your marker to a more precise location relative to the photo. Next, please describe the location where the insect or where signs and tree symptoms of the infestation were observed. Try to be as detailed as possible so that someone else can find it again. Next, select the species that you found. You can select the species even if you did not see an actual specimen. In this case, we'll pretend we don't have a specimen, so we will not check that box. Next, provide a description of your find. Here, please describe the insect if you found an insect, or describe the tree signs and symptoms that you observed. In this case, we will pretend that you saw signs and symptoms of an emerald ash borer infestation. Again, please consult your Oregon Forest Pest Detector Handbook on the specific details to include. Next, add your image, and then give it a title. In this final box, you can add additional questions for the invasive species expert who will review this report. We ask that you leave your phone number so we can follow up with you quickly. Enter your name and email, and you are ready to submit your report. Once you submit your report, you will see this confirmation page. You will soon receive a confirmation email as well with a link where you can access or edit the online report if you like. Check your spam filter if you don't see it. Within a few days, you can expect to receive a reply from the expert who is monitoring the hotline reports, thanking you and confirming they have received it. The expert will then evaluate the report and may make a site visit to confirm the sighting. They may follow up with you to ask any further questions.